Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks. All right, today we're staying at the Homewood Suites for Hilton, right in the heart of San Antonio on the Riverwalk. When you walk in, the check-in is just to your right, and then you can see the elevators that go up many floors. You can see today's events with their schedules inside the party rooms that were a little further down the hallway. Further inside the lobby area, you can see the business center is also called the Executive Center. Let's take a look inside. So here you can have an impromptu meeting, use the computers, have access to the ATM, and it looks like they have a printer, even a cutting machine, and there's the little maps for the things going around San Antonio area. And to the right is the party room that you can reserve for bigger meeting groups. Going further into the lobby, the lobby area when you walk into the Homewood Suites, and I'll show you here when it's open for breakfast time in the morning. In the daytime, they got the coffee still available throughout the day, and then here's the breakfast area. We got bread area. We got the toast, fresh apple juice, hot water.
Fruit Loops?
Yeah, same thing.
Yeah, I forgot too. I was like, where'd you go?
Oat milk. Let's see what's inside there. Eggs. That looks like a casserole. And sausage. Is that rice? Hash brown. All right. Thank you very much. Yogurt and fruit. Here's a waffle station. They got a big old thing of syrup. Looks like 2 waffle irons are working right now. Hi, buddy. And then I think that's for happy hour. They might have like the beer on tap. Here's just a quick view of what the breakfast area looks like. Looks like they have a few less items right now, but they do have it open. Inside the lobby area, they have a awesome microwave and napkins ready for you. And here's the marketplace where you can buy wine, the freezer items. Oh, a little buzzer went off to let people know that I'm in here. The prices are marked on the packages, it looks like. Gets an idea of how much the snacks are. Or it doesn't matter because you just need the snacks. Oh, it's so cute. They have the little waters, little wines. They have drinks. And these are the hours that the marketplace will be open. Okay, right off the lobby is the tables and chairs by the Riverwalk. You get a great view and you can access it outside. Now let's head upstairs to look at that pool deck. All right, this is the view from that rooftop pool for our hotel. You can see the Alamo Dome over there. And then I can't really bring my phone further, but that's that Riverwalk we saw down below. To gain access to the pool area, you need your room key or use your digital key. Here are some of the pool rules if you're interested how late the pool is open till. Alright, here's access to our rooftop pool. You can see it's actually not that big, but it's good for a family that comes out here to enjoy with these awesome views. And you get a good breeze right up here as well. Right, when you step off the elevator on the lower level, and then you walk this way, you can find the fitness center. Alright, when you come down to the lower level, you can find the fitness center. They have wipes so you can wipe off your equipment. Looks like they have a TV in here, and a treadmill, an elliptical, and a bike. So you got little TVs on each of them so you can face that way. And use your room card or digital key to enter the room. And that's the fitness center. So today I'm going to show you a room tour of what the Homewood Suites in San Antonio look like. We have room 717 this time, and it's a one bedroom with a double bed. So let's check this out. All right, when you walk in the room, we have a living room suite with a pull-out sofa, little dining area, and the TV in here. Looks like we have a really nice kitchenette with a full microwave, a little stove, dishwasher, and fridge. I actually love that it opens this direction. Some hotels we've been in, and it opens the other direction. I always thought that was weird. Ice maker, and you do the lever thing to turn on to start making ice. All right, moving from our living space, we're gonna go to the bathroom and bedroom area. Wow, look at that. So they have the little toilet area to the side with the shower. That's what the shower head looks like over here. A nice sized tub. Place to store your towels. I think that's gonna be the only bar in here. Yeah, they don't have anything behind the door. They have one sink area, what looks like with upgraded granite countertops, some hand towels, and more storage space. Going into the bed area, it looks like we have this mirror closet first with extra pillows and blankets. So this room sleeps 6 as a double bed. The other category is the queen size beds with a king in another room. I believe the pull-out sofa can sleep another set of 2 people. That's why it's 6. You get a nice table, desk over here, another TV, and let's see what kind of view we get. We're in the downtown area. Can look down right out the river. All right, thank you so much for watching Drea's Travels. This has been a room tour for Homewood Suites in San Antonio. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.